Yo guys, it's about that time of the year when Jordans like this and other, crazy releases at the beginning of the year where it seemed like they were a sleeper. It seemed like people was, kind of push them to the wayside. This is that time of the year when our price start trickling up, and these right here are almost in that same category as the black metallic fives. And I think I know why. I think I know why. I think I had to crack the code. So we gotta chop it up about these joints in today's video, man. Let's get right into it. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another one from your boy the Vintage, man. Always greatly appreciated, man. It's a good day today. I got some stuff that should be arriving to my doorstep soon. I'm like, damn, should I wait for them? I'm super excited for them. I cannot wait to unbox them. You guys should know exactly what they are. Y'all should know exactly what they are, but that fulfillment of joy is about to come. It's almost here, bro. And if I hear that doorbell ring, I might go up there and grab them while I'm recording this video. But if you guys are new here to the channel right now, I'm gonna need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, leave your boy a solid, leave a huge like on today's video. You already know them likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys enjoying the content. So if you want to keep this content rolling, you want to see more early looks, talk about some of these sneakers I released earlier this year, I need y'all to help your boy out, man. All right, man, so we recently talked about these guys right here. We recently talked about these Air Jordan 5 Black Metallics and how the resale was just astronomical, especially given the fact that these released this year. Usually it gives about a year before prices start getting crazy and the price just keep rising and rising. And that is not the only sneaker, because we have another shoe right here that is on that uprise. And I've actually looked through a couple of sneakers that I bought this year and kind of seen some of the value from when they first released at the beginning of the year to now. It is crazy on how much them joints have been rising, man. But for these in today's video, I'm gonna tell you guys exactly why. Of course, you guys can see you have your Jumpman up top. You do have the official size tag 9.5. Air Jordan 3 Retro, black, dark charcoal, and white. Of course, these are no other than a beauty of its own, in its own class. And you have the Air Jordan 3 Black Cats. Now I know, right? At the beginning of the year, people's like, man, I'm passing on these. I'm waiting for the Black Cat 4s. I don't want them. They can keep them. They're going to sit. And next thing you know, bro, I need y'all to go check the resale right now, because they're not going for too crazy, but they're all in the $300 price range. And these were just going for retail a couple of months ago. But again, it's around that back to school time frame. It's an all black sneaker. This is a go-to staple sneaker for anybody going back to school, or just grabbing for the collection during this time, going into that fall winter time frame. And the other side of them being, of course, back to school, they're an all black sneaker. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, let me show y'all. It's an all black sneaker, bro. People are feeling the all black sneaker wave, and this is not the only two sneakers that have done this. The Black Cat 4s back in 2021 or 2020 when they set for a while, and next thing you know, those are like $1,000 sneaker nowadays. And I think that their value will stay high on the Black Cat 4s with the Jumpman, and even these upcoming Black Cat Jordan 4s with the Nike Air in the back. It's gonna be a mano type thing in terms of people actually wanting them, and the resale is going crazy. But again, I checked these joints right here, bro. When I said, hold on, man, I should have even just added these in the video when I talked about the Air Jordan 5 Metallics, because in that same video I did 4 months ago talking about how I should grab the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallics, I talked about these Black Cat 3s as well, and they are slowly climbing up. They slowly rising, and the prices is looking a little scary, you know what I said? So I'm gonna check the Gold app right now live while shooting this video. It is 6 o'clock, bro. It's 6 o'clock, and it's one of my recently, looked at shoes. I'm like, yo, what's going on with some of these values, bro? But again, I think that this has been the best year for sneakers. This has been the best time to be a sneakerhead, because a lot of these shoes have been available, but I feel like people have been grabbing them all up. Now this resale value is starting to trickle up, man. So let me go to the Air Jordan 3 Black Cats. You guys can see almost every single size is in the $300 price range. Y'all can see, bro, almost every single size is in that $300 price range. And I do honestly feel like, bro, by the end of the year, this will be a $400 sneaker, just based off the Black Cat 4s, just based off what we've seen with these all black metallic reimagined 5s. people are going to be betting that cornerback. They're going to be trying to reach back and grab the clean and pristine Air Jordan 3 Black Cats. Y'all can't lie, bro. These joints is gas. These joints is gas. I don't care what nobody say. And I seen somebody even comment talking about the Black Cat 3s are better than the Black Cat 4s. I'm like, hold on now. I don't know, bro. I don't know how I feel about that because I've been more on the 4s as of lately. But I do remember I was going on a crazy Air Jordan 3 run in terms of just getting everything because everything was just looking phenomenal. Every 3 I was getting the denim 3s, the fire red 3s. They was just dropping some the fear 3s. We was getting all type of 3s. I'm like, bro, the 3s have been going on a crazy tear. But this year, in terms of Jordan, the Jordan 4s, it's the year of the Jordan 4s. Easily, undefeated 4s. Brick by bricks. We could just go on and on the list in terms of Jordan 4s. And I definitely think this has been a year for the 4s, in my honest opinion, man. But you guys let me know down below in the comment section, man. What do you think about the Air Jordan 3 Black Cats? Do you think they're going to reach that $400 price range by the end of the year? But I know for sure by next year, y'all gonna be like, yo, hold on, DaVincis was just talking about the Black Cat 3s. And it almost gives you like, you know, Gamma vibes, or even looking back at the Cap and Gown 11s. Like, nobody even talk about that shoe, bro. The Cap and Gown 11s, Rose and Resell. Is that how you said that? I don't know. They just was going crazy at the resale value a year after the drop. And Cap and Gowns kind of gave you Gamma vibes. So I don't know if it was just because they look like Gammas, or because they're an all black sneaker and all black shoes just been hitting, bro. Even the low Jordan 1, Travis Scott Phantoms, Black Cat 3s, Black Cat 4s, Black Metallic 5s. Like, yo, people love this, bro. They love that all black. And it seems like they're rocking out with the more, you know, all black joints more than the all white, the Pure Money 3s. Hopefully we get the Pure Money 4s here soon because those were released back in what, 2016, 2017? If I'm not mistaken. So it's about time for them to bring back out. But again, you cannot go wrong with an all black pair of Air Jordan 3s. That patent leather, bro. The laces in them joints. The jump, man, on the tongue, man. These joints is clean. This is definitely a Jordan to add to the collection because you can rock them in almost anything that you do have in the wardrobe. It's all black, bro. It's pretty simple. So again, man, I need y'all help. Do y'all think the Black Cat 3s will just do something crazy out the water? I know a lot of people watching are going to agree with that because it just kind of has been with all black sneakers. It's kind of has been with some of these staple releases earlier in the year. Them joints start rising back up. And if I'm missing any other shoe that I need to be talking about, like, you know, have just, you know, grew in resale value just out of nowhere, please let me know down below in the comment section. I'll be reading every single comment. Trust me, I read every single one. Even if you get blocked, I'm reading it. It ain't bothering me at all, but I'm definitely reading every single comment every day. I'll be at work throughout the day, you know what I'm saying, respond to comments because I'm just trying to interact with you guys. You know, of course, keep the community strong over here. And again, this has been the best year for sneakers, bro. For y'all to hype, for y'all to hate, we are having the best year for sneakers. Not even just Jordan, sneakers in general. We got the jellyfish Pharrell joints. You got the foam posits coming back out, bro. This has been crazy good this year, man. But I appreciate all of the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you guys hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel. One more quick 360 of the Black Cat 3s. Hey, get them now. Don't wait. If not, I'm gonna be making a recap video where people are like, bro, I should have listened to you at the end of the year, man. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. With all that's being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.